Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Birjil. Today, me and my friend Shubham Abhimani will give you brief information about fasting during Navratri, importance of Singada sweets and savories. During Navratris, Hindu devotees keep fasting for 9 days to please and seek blessings of Goddess Durga. There can be variation in the number of fasting days. While many observe the fasts for all 9 days, there are some devotees who keep fast in Jodas, as in couple, the first 2 or the last 2 days of Navratri. Navratri fasts has many variations too. Some people take only water during these 9 days, while some eat fruits and some people eat one meal a day. Kuttu ki puri, singade ka halwa, singade ke pakode, sabudana vada and sabudana khichdi are some of the popular Navratri food recipes. Here are all the fasting rules you should know and also what you can eat or what you need to avoid. Flours and grains. Regular grains like wheat and rice are not allowed during Navratri fasting. You should eat kuttu ka atta, buckwheat flour or singade ka atta or rajgira ka atta during Navratri fastings. Samai ke chawal or samvat ke chawal to replace rice in making khichdi, dhoklas or kheer. Sabudana is another staple food during Navratri that can be used in making kheer, vadas and papads. Fruits. You can eat all types of fruits during Navratri fasting. Some devotees fast only fruits and milk for all these 9 days. Spices and herbs. Normal table salt are not consumed during Navratris. Use an alternative rock salt or senda namak for cooking during Navratri. In spices, you can use cumin or cumin powder, black pepper powder, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ajwain, black peppercorns, dry pomegranate seeds, kokum, tamarind and nutmeg. Some people also use fresh coriander leaves, red chili powder, dry mango powder, chaat masala, etc. Vegetables. During Navratri fasting, most of the people consume vegetables like potato, sweet potato, arbi, kachalu, suran or yam, lemons raw or semi-ripe pumpkin, raw pumpkin, spinach, tomatoes, bottle gourd, cucumber, carrots, etc. Milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products like curd, paneer or cottage cheese, white butter, ghee, malai, and preparations with milk and khoya are mostly consumed during Navratri fasting. Avoid these food items. All fast foods, canned foods, and foods prepared using onion and garlic should be avoided. Devotees who are keeping Navratri fast should also avoid consuming legumes, lentils, rice flour, corn flour, all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, and semolina. Non-vegetarian food, eggs, alcohol, smoking, and aerated drinks are also prohibited. Importance of Singada. Singada is also known as water caltrop, water chestnut, ling nut, devil pod, bat nut, and buffalo nut. They are abundantly found in the warm temperature areas of Africa and Eurasia. This fruit resembles the silhouette of a flying bat or the head of bull. Each fruit is quite large and starchy. It has been cultivated in the Indian subcontinent and China for nearly 3000 years. In Japanese, this plant is called hishi, which means lozenge or diamond shaped. Singada improves the blood impurities. Water chestnut is beneficial in eliminating blood impurities and inflammations. They also act as an energy boosters and drives away tiredness or signs of fatigue from the body. After surgeries or fatal cuts, it checks the flow of blood from the open wound and stops excessive flow of blood. This is why Singada should be consumed by patients shortly after any surgery. And that's the end of the video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.